Hi, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3T, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the connection and sharing section. Then you'll see here the NFC. Just to activate or turn off this option, we should click on this switcher, and after that we can see here the NFC icon. So that means that the NFC is activated. Also, we can make it by another way. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you will find here the NFC option, this icon here. So just to activate it, click on this icon, and to turn it off, click on this icon once again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.